On today's body cam, we're checking out. She calls her mom during DUI stop. Mom tries to blame someone else.
The reason why I'm pulling over today is because your registration is expired since May.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Yes.
Anything to drink tonight?
No, sir. I've been trying to renew my insurance and I've just been unsuccessful.
Do you have the insurance policy on your phone?
Yes, I do, sir.
Did you give him the registration?
No, I'm cleaning out my car because I'm turning in my lease right now. So I just wanted to...
Wow. Hey, ma'am, can you do me a favor and step out the vehicle real quick?
Yeah, just one second.
So what are you noticing right now?
Divided attention.
What is she doing now?
She's still looking at her phone. I'm telling her to step out the vehicle real quick. Ma'am, can you step out the vehicle real quick?
Yeah, just one
You can leave that for now.
Yeah, I know. I'm good.
Did you have anything to drink tonight? Because I can smell the odor of alcohol coming from it. No? Are you willing to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my beliefs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Can you leave your phone on top there?
Can I talk to my mom for a minute?
No, let's go ahead and do this first.
Can I talk to my mom?
I said...
have the right to talk to my mom.
You don't.
No,
We'll give you a phone call. However, right now he's conducting a lawful investigation, and for you prohibiting him to do that is a crime within itself. Okay. The phone call for mom, we can do that later, but right now it's just not the time.
Well, I feel more safe.
You're gonna deny the test?
Well,
I'm just letting you know.
Let me talk to my mom before.
I'm just letting you know, if you deny the test, I might have to, with all this, the totality of the circumstances, I'm gonna have to arrest you.
No,
Okay?
I don't want to be arrested.
No, we're gonna have to arrest you. Okay?
Is this your mom? Do you mind if I talk to her?
Yes, please.
Okay.
My daughter has major anxiety.
Okay. Well, listen, we're not trying to listen.
She gets panic attacks.
Okay. But mom, we're not trying to be the bad guys here, but we're noticing signs of impairment. Okay, I can smell alcohol coming off her breath in person. She's showing some signs of impairment. Has she been drinking a little bit this evening?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm in Oregon. Okay.
I got you. What did she take prescription medication for her anxiety?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what she takes?
It's called. Oh God, what's the name of it? I know. She has. It's called. Oh God, what's it called?
It's okay. Ma'am, just breathe. Just breathe.
Okay.
Oh my God. Wow. People really crack under pressure, man. Really crack under pressure. Why are we even talking to mom right now? She is a grown adult. See, that's why I couldn't be an officer, man. All that calling your parent, no. If you're above the age of 18, you're 18 and above, you are an adult. I don't want to talk to mom. I care less about talking to mom. I care less about talking to dad. You know, once things is under control and, you know, we have you already in custody or whatever, you know, then we could fill you in on some things if you choose to. But right now, no, the officer should not be talking to mom. Can't get you out of this. She can't get you out of this. You're going to jail. Period.
Get severe panic attacks.
What's
Even mom crack under pressure.
Megan. Her name's Megan.
Megan, do you know what you take for your anxiety? What do you take?
Ashwagandha.
That's it? It's not a prescription medication though? Just ashwagandha?
I mean, I'm against prescription,
Okay.
but I have severe anxiety and
Okay.
panic attacks.
Mom, we'll let her get a phone call back too. Just give us a moment, okay?
I have severe anxiety.
I get it.
We're just trying to determine whether or not you're able to go home driving your car.
Can I just take another home? I just want to go home. I have 2 dogs. I need to go home.
You said yes to doing the field sobriety exercises.
Are you agreeing
that
with
way
doing the field sobriety
we can get you home.
Well, I just want to go. My mom. I have like severe. I'm like gonna have a panic attack.
Okay.
I'm not kidding.
Do you need medical attention?
My heart is.
Do you need medical attention?
I don't know. I'm by myself. I'm
I know,
not
but
usually by myself.
Megan, it's
No.
yes or no. Do you need medical attention?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't want to answer
Are you
yes or
willing?
no,
Are you
because
willing to do field sobriety exercises?
I'm not. I don't know anymore. I don't know.
Well, if you don't know, then we might have to make the decision for you. And the decision is going to be your ass going to jail, man.
Megan.
If the cops are like,
I'm just trying to prove you're okay
I'm
to
just
drive.
not trying to say anything. Yes.
How
or
much?
No.
How much did you have to drink?
No, I'm not saying anything. I don't want to.
Okay.
Because my mom is on the phone.
I know. I just talked to her. I let her know everything that was happening, and I told her that you would call her back.
You guys are very good people.
We are. We're just trying to do our
I know,
job.
but
You don't want to do it?
I'm not.
You're not gonna do it.
I just. Can I get an Uber home?
No, that's not how it works. Okay, put your hands behind your back.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
I need
perfect,
to
perfect.
Talk to my mom, please.
No, please.
No, my mom's on the phone. Please. I need to be able to talk to my mom. Mom is calling right now.
Yeah,
So I'm not agreeing to take anything.
You're not agreeing to take
That's where
anything.
we're at right now. We want to let you know that Megan is going to jail tonight for driving under the influence.
I have dogs. I have nobody to let my
Anything?
dogs out.
Do you have any friends nearby that
No,
can
I
take care of your
don't.
dog?
I have nobody.
Somebody put something in her drink. She had Coke. I don't know what's going on here. I need you to talk to me right now, please.
What do you need, ma'am? I'm willing to answer any questions you have. What do you need?
I think this is funny, don't you? Not really.
No, I don't think it's funny at all.
You better not be doing anything to my daughter. I will prosecute you.
Okay.
If you hurt my daughter.
Click, end the conversation. End the conversation. Click. I'm not talking to you no more. This is the problem. People nowadays fail to take responsibility for their actions. Nobody told you to drink. None of that. And drive under the influence. Period. That's a decision that you as an individual made. And now mom, who is not even around, is going to come up with some excuse that something was put in her drink. This is why you don't talk to the parents. If they're over 18, I ain't got nothing to say to you. You know, that's why I said that. Look, you get on the phone, you're polite, you're talking to mom, yada, yada. Hey, man, you know, I'm willing to fill you in. What's going on? Yada, yada. Oh, don't you do this to click. Hang it up. It's over. Try to give you a chance to talk.
Okay, ma'am. Like I said, your daughter right now, she's just being placed in custody for driving under influence. She's completely fine. She's getting in the back of this deputy's car here. Everything is okay. Unfortunately, she's showing many signs of impairment.
Yeah, but there was some men at the bar that she told me about. And I'm telling you, if they slip something in her Coca-Cola, I will be prosecuting.
Let's go.
Yeah, she's at the bar drinking a Coca-Cola. Does that even make sense? Yeah, she told me the man at the bar slipped something in her Coca-Cola. Oh, okay. So now we just go to the bar to drink soda. You could go to Dollar General and grab a soda.
Please,
You're going to have plenty of time to talk to her when you get to the jail. Let's go. We're going to take care of you, okay?
I'm in a freaking panic. I don't want him to.
Please get inside, okay? I'll leave the door open.
My mom.
Are you a dad?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 24 years of age.
You're 24?
Yes, ma'am. I don't feel that's relevant to the situation, but I'm just trying to help you out.
I'm not saying that. I'm sure you're mature for your age.
I do what I can.
521305. I just want to make sure my daughter's safe.
She's completely safe.
Because I've heard about things
Okay.
out of the keys where people disappear, and I'm not kidding.
Ma'am, we are a fully accredited law enforcement agency. Your daughter is in very good hands with us, okay?
I have
Okay.
to work tomorrow, so
The reason why you are in custody right now, the way you were handing me your information, your attention was
I have
off.
insurance. My tags are expired. I'm turning in my leased car.
That's not the reason why.
All right, well
Jail.
then you can talk to my lawyer because that's the truth.
This is your mom.
Hey, Mom, I'm handcuffed.
You're handcuffed?
Yeah, you're on speaker. I don't know why. Yeah.
You're in handcuffs?
Will you please text Bill and let him know?
Oh, I will.
Please, no, call him. Yeah.
That's not right. That's
I
not
know.
right.
Yeah.
I'm calling right now. Yeah, bye.
All right, bye.
I love you. Bye.
Okay.
Can you bring my phone?
Yes.
You should not be handcuffed.
It's okay. I have anxiety, so this is going to cause a lot of anxiety.
What can we do to help comfort you?
Having my hands behind my back.
That's unfortunate. It's against our agency policy to put them up front.
I will tell you, I'm having anxiety right now. So.
Do you need medical attention?
This is like my worst nightmare. In the back seat of a car. With no, I literally, I feel very anxious.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do.
I'm
gonna allow you to get comfortable. The moment, as soon as we get there, the faster we get there, we're gonna get you out of the handcuffs. Okay?
I don't want to resist you guys. I really don't. But this is like, I can't even talk to you, and I'm having anxiety.
Is there anything else I can do for you? I'm trying my best to be nice and help you. Like,
I understand this is your job.
Like I said, so this deputy, he's gonna take you to the breath test room, and I'm gonna meet you there because I'm gonna be conducting it. Okay?
All right.
We're in there. You're taking a seat in that black chair. I'm now requesting you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content.
I don't need to do any testing. I'm great.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm emotional.
No, that's okay. Don't need no.
Just been through a lot lately.
Megan was originally charged with DUI, but later resolved the case by entering a no-contest plea to a reduced charge of reckless driving. She was ordered to complete 48 hours of community service, a driver improvement course, and pay court costs and fees.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.